This investment in our capacity really sets us up for AMP8 in terms of how we can deliver to our customers.
This investment in automation will bring the need for highly skilled programming engineers, as well as giving opportunities to our existing workforce in both fabrication and welding.
It's a sign of intent where we are rising to meet the growing demand for our product as we go forward. We're a trusted partner of choice for many of the UK water companies, with thousands of installations across the UK, and this will add the much needed capacity to allow us to meet that increased demand.
Welding is about 50% of what we actually do on the shop floor here, the other 50% being fabrication. So when the robot welding cell is fully operational, a large percentage of our focus is going to be moved to fabrication to accommodate for the output that we're going to generate for the robot welding cell.
In order to secure the funding for this investment, we work closely with Cornwall Council and the Shared Prosperity Fund. They invested just shy of £900,000 for the £1.4 million project. We obviously invested the rest ourselves, and that's a sign of intent for us investing for the long term.
With the automation will come significant improvements in our health and safety processes. We are able to better control the weld fume exposure to our employees, and in addition, we can safely control the movement or the manipulation of the parts in which we're manufacturing.
What we've found when recruiting is that regardless of role, this investment has been attractive to people, both in terms of the scale and the nature of it. The technological aspect of robotic welding is also very attractive to people that want to be involved in industry-leading manufacturing, not just in the southwest, but throughout the UK.
The integration of the robot welding cell has relied heavily on the welding knowledge from people on the shop floor. So we've relied heavily on people and their input to hone that knowledge and input it into the software and the programming of the robotic welding cell.
Our business in the future is already growing. We had a very successful AMP7. AMP8 is already proving successful for us, and we can see a huge demand into AMP9 and AMP10 for our products that help remove phosphorus from the environment, help remove methane and help improve CSO storm overflows. Our customers are requiring more and more of our products. So this investment allows us to do that not just now, but also into the future. This is an investment for the long run. It's here to stay. It's here to complement our existing workforce to help us grow capacity. And we've built in and designed in future capacity needs into AMP8 and into AMP9 to at least 2030 to 2035.